Okay, so I was just at Chevron filling up with gas, and there was this Seagull that I almost hit. And he, I'm not even joking about this, followed me over here, and now he is doing circle 8s around my scooter. Pretty sure that he's plotting revenge. He's just going like my scooter is like his center of attention right now. I don't know if he's calling his friends over to do like a bombing brigade on this thing. But I've been back for a while and he has not left. He is pissed. I may have to take some bathroom cleaner out because he's not happy with me. I think birds really held grudges, but apparently this one did. I don't know if you can see me through this window.